Good morning, 7th graders. Wednesday, April 29th today. Today, not any new assignment really, just would like you to finish up the virtual lab that many of you started and finished yesterday. If you are having troubles getting into it, please make sure that the pop-up blocker on your iPad is turned off. That was causing a lot of issues yesterday for some people. If you are using Safari, go to your iPad settings, down to Safari on the list, and select that and make sure that you have chosen for the pop-up blocker to be turned off. If you are using Google Chrome, there are three dots in the top right corner. If you click on those, you can go down to Settings, select Settings, and inside of the settings there is a button for Content Settings, and with that button inside there you can check that the pop-up blocker has been turned off, and then you should be able to get into the virtual lab and make your mystery animal. A reminder that tomorrow I'm planning for you to have a quiz. It will be based on the genetics information we have been learning about, practicing the last 2 weeks roughly. If you're looking for some textbook support, it's Chapter 5, Lessons 1 and 2. You can look at any of the resources in the textbook if you want a little extra support. I also have put a Quizlet about genetics in Schoology, and so you should be able to practice vocabulary using that. But please let me know if you have questions about filling out Punnett squares. A great time for you to ask questions would be to come to the Google Meet today from 1:30 to 3 o'clock. If you want some face-to-face help, the code is on the screen, Sexton Science Help. So once you open Google Meet, type that in for the code, and you should be able to get in there as long as I've got the meeting open. If you've got any other questions, please do not hesitate to send me a Schoology message and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. A lot of people have over the last few weeks asked, what are we doing today? Mr. Lombard sends out that chart that gives you the list of assignments. I always am updating the daily slides presentation that I used during the school year, except I don't have the green and white days anymore. If you go into Schoology, it is the first item on the science page, and you may have to scroll up to the top of the page but to get to that day, but this information is always in there, and many times I attach videos to the slides. Let me know if you've got any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.